Welcome viewers. In this video we will see how to use Google to effectively find already published books that are in the public domain. There are a number of different search techniques you can use in Google to find public domain books which can also be repurposed, illustrated further, translated or annotated to be published on Kindle. Especially with search parameters and prefixes like cite or double quotes, we can refine and find what we are looking for with more ease. You can append whatever topic you're looking for either in front or following the words or phrase in double quotes. For example, you could use Shakespeare and then double quotes public domain, or Benjamin Franklin and then double quotes public domain. Remember that double quotes should be used around these words or phrases in order to get us more accurate search results. I have used this following search parameter in Google, like with the cite prefix and then .goe and then public domain in double quotes and then Thomas Jefferson articles, and with that I found this article over here about this collection, and then it landed up over here where I can find the draft version of the Declaration of US Independence, just for example. So clicking on this would give me the draft version of the American Independence document with some corrections in it. So this is one of the examples that I could show for public domain that is available online. You could use similar such searches using these search parameters, and you can just improvise with your own by looking into more search parameters or prefixes from Google. There are other resources from Google like the Google Scholar website, where we can further refine our searches using their advanced search options to find scholarly articles that are in the public domain. Let me show you a demo of how to search that. Go to Google Scholar website and click on this hamburger icon to open the menu on the left side of the screen. Click on Advanced Search. Type in the keywords or search words or phrases in your chosen topic. For example, now I'm going to type Benjamin Franklin. And in the last date field here, type 1923, which implies that we are looking for all the works published before Jan 1st, 1923 and that are in the public domain. This rule is for United States and might vary for other countries. Hit on search. Now you can find a lot of public domain works here. Just make sure you don't go behind the popular ones like the autobiography of Benjamin Franklin, which have been published in so many times on the Kindle store. You could go for something less known or more unique, where you can add more value to the book by adding illustrations and translations or your own annotations from the book or from history. You could also use these filters. Thanks for watching.